you cool your lips after a summer's kiss? How do you really sweat after the body breaks? How do you turn your eyes from the romantic glare? How do you block the sound of a voice? You're everywhere. Oh, I really should have known by the time you drove me home, by the vagueness in your eyes, the casual goodbyes, by the chill in your embrace, the expression on your face that told me, baby,